Yeah, my name is Horumarka. I'm the Chief Operating Officer of the Port and DP World Berbera, Somaliland. We're scheduled to spend over $400 million on the development of Warb Port.
My name is Said Hassan. I'm Berbera Port Manager. Before DP we handling 5,000 TEU container, but now we handling 15,000. So you see the difference they make.
Ethiopia is a big part of doing business here. Berbera is a gateway to Ethiopia. We're working close with Ethiopia, the government, to make sure that again, infrastructure.
Berbera can be a good gateway because of the location, and in the meantime, we trying to make all accessory port can have. For example, we're going to build next year a dry dock.
In terms of security, there's been no issues here. Every Somaliland that I've met has been nice. It's a country that's really trying to make big strides in developing itself.
Our Coast Guard, which is efficient to protect our sea or coastal line, is enough, and there's no single piracy happening in Somaliland.
The single biggest value that any customer or any potential company coming here would have by doing business in Somaliland is the Somalilanders. The pride that they have that companies are investing here, and the pride that they have in helping develop their country.